I'm going to show you how to use the radial arm saw. It's similar to the miter saw because you can cut angles or bevels, except this pulls straight out, not down like the miter saw. So what this is really good for is if you want to make a dado into a piece of wood or a rabbet on the end, this allows you to do that with it coming straight across. Where the miter saw, you might come too deep or to leave a round shape. This was the precursor to the miter saws. It's a very good tool in a shop. It's just not very portable. So, the blade pulls straight out, but you could also tilt the blade and you can turn the whole top if you wanted to cut a miter. So you can tilt it for bevels or turn it for miters. This knob raises and lowers the entire apparatus to set different depths. So I will set it to go about halfway through this 2x4, and then I'll make a few cuts to show you. Okay, from this side you can see the blade a little better with the guard up. Don't ever use this with the guard down, because this is the only guard that keeps your fingers from being cut off. The main safety feature here, or the biggest concern, is holding the wood secure. Don't ever cross your arms. Always make sure that you're holding it down just like the miter saw. So in order to set the height, put the piece of wood up against it or next to it, and then simply lower it to where you need it. Okay, so now I'm going to make my dado, which is a U shape in the wood, or a rabbet, which is an L shape on the end, by making several passes. You're going to want to pull all the way out, come back, then move the wood over a little bit, and then repeat that process over and over again, making sure that your hand never comes in front of the blade. The power switch is right by the handle. And as you can see, made a nice small dado.